Welcome to one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities. Today, we are going inside the Charmin Factory to witness a massive transformation, from raw timber logs to the softest toilet paper on the market. It all begins here, in the wood yard. Thousands of tons of sustainably sourced pine and spruce logs arrive daily. These aren't just any trees. They are selected for their long, strong fibers. Watch as the giant hydraulic grapples sort the timber with surgical precision. The logs enter the debarking drum, a massive, rotating steel beast. Through pure friction, the bark is stripped away, leaving behind clean wood. This raw material is then fed into the chipper. In a matter of seconds, solid logs are reduced to uniform 1-inch chips. This consistency is the secret foundation of a high-quality paper roll. Next, we move into the heart of the mill, the digesters. Think of these as industrial-scale pressure cookers. The wood chips are mixed with a chemical solution and heated under intense pressure. This process dissolves the lignin, the natural glue of the tree, separating the individual cellulose fibers. What emerges is a thick, brown pulp. To achieve that signature Charmin white, the pulp undergoes a rigorous washing and bleaching process. We use an elemental chlorine-free method that is both efficient and environmentally conscious. By the time the pulp is ready for the paper machine, it is a bright white, watery slurry, consisting of 99% water and only 1% wood fiber. It looks like liquid clouds, and soon it will feel like them too. Now witness the great transformation. The slurry is sprayed onto a fast-moving mesh screen called the wire. Traveling at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, gravity and vacuums suck the water away, leaving a fragile web of interlocking fibers. But the real magic happens at the Yankee Dryer. This is a massive, mirror-polished chrome drum, heated to extreme temperatures. As the wet sheet hits the drum, it dries instantly. A high-precision steel blade then scrapes the paper off the surface. This creates creping thousands of microscopic folds that give the paper its stretch and bulk. This is the exact moment softness is born. The paper is then wound into jumbo rolls, weighing over 5 tons each. In the final phase, the jumbo rolls are moved to the converting lines. Here, 2 layers of paper are married together to create a durable 2-ply sheet. The paper passes through embossing rollers, which press in the iconic Charmin cloud patterns. These aren't just for looks. They create tiny air pockets that increase both absorbency and cushion. The long paper logs are then sliced by high-speed circular saws into the individual rolls you recognize. From here, it's a high-tech dance of robotics. Autonomous systems sort, wrap, and stack the rolls into bundles. Thousands of packs are processed every hour with zero human contact, ensuring total hygiene. From the rugged forest to the final package, this is the perfect blend of heavy industry and delicate comfort. This is the making of Charmin.